We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive overview of the VOLISUN Solar Stair Lights 12-pack, designed for outdoor step lighting with blue LED illumination. These solar-powered lights offer a unique combination of style and functionality, making them a popular choice for garden stairs, decks, front steps, and porches. Users consistently praise the lights for their brightness, durability, and ease of installation. The product features 13 LEDs per unit, delivering 80 lumens of light powered by an 800 mAh battery. After a full 5-hour charge in sunlight, the lights provide up to 8 hours of illumination without requiring any external electricity or wiring. This makes them an energy-efficient solution for outdoor lighting needs. One of the most appreciated aspects of the VOLISUN Solar Stair Lights is their waterproof IP67 rating. Constructed from high-quality ABS materials with a fully enclosed integrated design, these lights withstand harsh weather conditions such as rainstorms, snow, and frost without any special care. Many users have reported that the lights performed well even after being exposed to freezing temperatures and snow during winter months. The solar panels continue to generate sufficient charge on cloudy days, ensuring the lights stay illuminated late into the night. This resilience makes them a reliable choice for year-round outdoor use. Installation is another strong point of these lights. They require no wiring, which simplifies setup and reduces maintenance concerns. The triangular design fits neatly into stair corners, keeping the lights out of the way to prevent tripping hazards. There are 2 installation options: attaching the lights directly to stairs using 3M sticky tape, or securing them with screws and bolts for a more permanent fixture. It is important to install the lights in sunny spots to ensure optimal solar charging. Users have found the installation process straightforward and appreciate the flexibility in mounting methods. Performance-wise, the lights provide a soft but effective glow that enhances safety and aesthetics. The blue lighting mode adds a charming and colorful ambiance to outdoor spaces, making stairs and pathways visually appealing while improving visibility. The light is well directed and stays low across the steps, which helps preserve night vision and avoids glaring. Several reviewers noted that the illumination is bright enough to clearly light wide steps, with one light placed at the corner of a 42-inch wide step, sufficiently illuminating the entire step surface. The lights automatically turn on at dusk and stay on throughout the night, offering consistent illumination without the need for manual operation. Many users have expressed surprise at the quality and brightness of the lights compared to their expectations. The lights are small and unobtrusive, but powerful enough to provide safety and decorative lighting. Customers who initially purchased a single pack were often impressed enough to buy additional sets to cover more stairs or sidewalks, enhancing both safety and outdoor ambience. The lights have been described as a game changer for preventing falls on dark stairs, especially around pool decks and garden paths. Durability is frequently highlighted in reviews. The lights have proven to withstand various weather conditions without damage or loss of functionality. Users have reported that the batteries and solar charging system remain effective even after extended exposure to freezing weather and snow. The product comes with a 2-year warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's confidence in its longevity and performance. Some minor drawbacks have been mentioned. A few customers noted color inconsistencies in sets where they ordered specific colors but received mixed ones. Additionally, while the lights provide sufficient illumination for safety and decoration, they do not emit extremely strong light and are not suitable for those seeking motion sensor or very bright floodlighting. The light output is best described as a soft, attractive hue that enhances visibility without being overpowering. Overall, the VOLISUN Solar Stair Lights 12-pack offers an excellent balance of brightness, durability, and ease of use. They are ideal for anyone looking to improve outdoor stair safety while adding a decorative touch to their garden or porch. The solar-powered design eliminates wiring hassles and reduces energy costs, making these lights a practical and attractive solution for outdoor lighting. We encourage viewers who own these lights to leave their own reviews in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description and using it supports the channel. This product stands out as a reliable, stylish, and efficient outdoor lighting option that has earned high praise from users across the internet.